How to fix Sony Bluetooth speaker not connecting to iPhone problem. First of all, take your iPhone, scroll down, go to Bluetooth settings. Okay, here if it's already connected, you have previously connected this to your iPhone, then simply click on this I button and forget this device. And then enter into the pairing mode on your speaker. Press the Bluetooth button, it will enter into pairing mode and its name will be shown here. Click on that and simply connect it. If it still does not solve your problem, then what you can do is simply reset your speaker. How to do that? Simply press the volume down and Bluetooth button together. Okay, for a while your speaker will turn off like this. Turn on it back again. Okay, now take your iPhone and its name will be shown in this device availability list. If it does not show, simply turn off your Bluetooth, turn it back again, it will show here. Okay, click on that, your speaker will be connected. Okay, if it still does not solve your problem, what you can do is now simply restart your phone. How to do that? Press volume up, volume down quickly, and then press and hold this button until it displays the Apple logo, and then leave it. Your iPhone will be restarted. Other way you can do is simply press and hold volume up and power button and simply slides to power off, and after that turn on your iPhone by holding the power button, and that's it. After that, simply try connecting your speaker to your iPhone, it will be connected. Okay.